know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to stuff and roast a whole chicken. So first and foremost, before we go ahead and stuff the chicken, I'm going to make up a dry rub to use and season the chicken. I'm going to go in with some salt, about a tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon ginger powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon cayenne pepper, dry mustard, half teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, dried oreganos, 1 teaspoon basil, and some paprika for color. Smoked paprika, that gives it a nice flavor. Just gonna go ahead and mix that up. Give it some more paprika here. So there you have it, our dry rub for roast chicken. So we're just gonna go in with our chicken that has already been washed with vinegar. We'll open it up like that, sprinkle your season all over that. And don't worry about this much because it's not salty. All the other herbs are there for just flavor. So we're gonna take the leg here, insert your finger and pull it through. Season that as well. Push that back through. So if you want to learn how to debone a whole chicken, you can click the link above and that will take you right over to where we debone our chicken. So close that back up now. We're just going to go in with some seasoning on the outside. Just mop up all of that seasoning. Nothing now go to waste. Rub it in. Alright, turn that back over now. Now here I have some couscous that we made and add some mixed vegetables to it. If you want to learn how to make couscous, I'll leave a link in the description down below and you can see how we made the couscous. Just going to go in with the couscous in the center of the chicken. Now we're going to lift the leg up. I'm going to just scoop some in there, stuff the leg or the drumstick, push it right down. And the same goes for this one. First, before we fold that, we're just going to add a bit here in the wing. So just like the leg, just going to add some in the wing area. Just going to close it up. Now I'm using this tray that has holes in it, so the juice from it can go under and all the residue can rest here. So because I don't have a sewing needle, I'm just going to go ahead and put this to lie on its belly, just so to keep it closed up. So work with me now. Close that right up like that. Turn it over onto the belly and kind of tuck it under there. Dust that with some more herbs. Finish off that with some paprika. So give it that nice color. So there you have it. Roast this in the oven for an hour and 15 minutes or until done on 380 degrees We'll be right back. And there you have it, couscous stuffed roasted herb chicken here on Morris Time Cooking It. It doesn't get any simpler than this. Look at that golden crust of a skin. This chicken is quite the flavorful treat that you're looking for. As you can see on the skin, it's not oily. It's nice from that dry rub, and I guarantee you, as I cut into this chicken, how moist it's gonna be. Look at that. So juicy. Remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to our channel where we upload every other day of the week. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel pon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.
Let me see another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you, so that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.